Check out Brina Boutique for all your fitness apparel and gym accessories. Check out Brina Boutique on Instagram at Brina_Boutique876.
Hey,
what's up, guys? So we are here today on another journey. So where are we?
Bloom's Cafe in the Irish Town.
Alright, so I hope you all remember Jody. So Jody is chilling with us today again. A big friend. Alright, so we're hungry.
But before we even get to being hungry, guys, welcome to our channel again. If you're new, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are a resident watcher, thank you so much for always sticking and staying with us. We appreciate you guys so much. Now, if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also to hit the notification bell and leave us a comment. All right?
Make sure.
Alright, so today we are in Irish Town, as we said before, and we are at this very earthy, mystical, cool, calm, what else? Spectacular view, all of that. Cafe called Bloom's Cafe, and we're here to eat some. We're gonna have
We're going
burgers.
to have a variety of food. We're gonna try different stuff. So everybody will get a taste of everything. Yeah. All three of us.
Oh, we think
yeah. So it's cool here. It's very cool here. I mean, down on the flat where we're coming from, it's very hot. And right here is like you have constant AC on you.
Yeah. So we're in rural St. Andrew.
Yeah.
So just enjoy the view, guys, and we'll show you what we're up and about too.
All right. See you soon.
Later.
What are you doing, sweetie?
So here at Bloom's Cafe, while you're waiting to get your order, then there's this activity. It's called like a little ritual where you can go and do your own little painting. You can tap into that artistic center part of you. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm a lover of art.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so where are your paintbrush and...
Over there with sauna. Thank you. While you're here, you can come over. One art project.
Yeah. I think this is a cool little area space for you to tap into your artistic being. Or the wannabe artist in you. Hear the beat. Okay, we're glittering and the sun with the birds, and then this is me, Bloom Cafe 2021, journey with the Jackson.
I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, heat up. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said,
Thank you. So what kind of soup is this?
Chicken and shrimp.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yes, looks good.
Oh,
Green onions.
it's a pepper pot, but it's not very pepper. Yeah, it tastes good. Almost like there's no fish in it, but it tastes kind of like fish to some extent.
Yeah, but it's made of chicken and shrimp. But
So shrimp to compensate for like the fish taste.
The thing is flavorful, it's light. It's light.
Alright, so we're gonna try it without there. Nice. So
Purple onions, like scallions, salt fish.
yeah, tastes good. It is not salty. Not salty at all.
Good.
It is like real proper country style cooking, like when your grandmother cook.
I'll try the sauce.
Cook it, yes, that salty sweet as fire.
Sauce. Tastes like mustard. The sauce is good.
The Jody goes straight for the dip.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice.
Straight.
Chicken wrap, guys. Where there's chicken and cheese. Chicken is.
Fish with us. Excellent.
Perfect done. It's in impressive.
Girl, I don't know. Bloom's Cafe is so earth friendly. Look at this. This is so cool. We're eating from wooden fork and wooden plates and wooden cup for the pepper pot soup. Oh my gosh. And this is good. So Yolanda is actually the owner of Bloom's Cafe. And
A young entrepreneur.
so guys,
Oh.
okay. But guys, I think this is an awesome place to come and to just support young entrepreneurs in Jamaica. And moreover, she's not just because she's beautiful, but I mean, she's done good quality work here with the food. It's tasty. Everything matches nicely. Everything, the layout is wonderful. When you look at the burger, and this is what you made from scratch, don't you?
Right.
Yeah, burger made from scratch. And this is the meat. Let me get a bite and tell you. This is so good. You don't know why you started this though. Where you come with the idea?
Okay, so Bloom, you know, I've been coming here for years. It's already been established before. It's been established before. I think it's been around for probably 4 or 5 years.
Oh.
However, it wasn't really utilized. So it's just a view spot.
Hello.
Hello.
We're not pretty girl running down here, so we just
Really?
stop it. We
Okay.
can do it yourself.
Okay, come here. Right. So Narissa, which is the actual property owner, right? And her son, you know, they operate the food station, the stall, right? So the kitchen now and the entire, what do you call it? The cafe itself now is run by me. The food and everything now also me. The idea came from just wanting an escape from the regular stuff. I also have a 9 to 5. I'm also a DJ. So
What's the DJ name?
It's YOLO.
YOLO. You know named already?
Yeah. I play at Kingston Jerk sometimes. They're at the weddings and all.
Okay, cool.
Girl have many way call
Many
that.
talents.
Many talents.
Alright, so yeah.
So I'll be right back, guys.
Alright.
So enjoy your blooming food.
We are.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
It's good so far, trust me.
Come on. Groove it over.
You know what? It's not that the burger is dressed with a lot of stuff, like you have lettuce in there and all these things. I mean, the burger bun has been properly seasoned, but outside of that, it's not like the burger has a host of other, I don't know, accompaniments. Guys, come out and check. Blue.
Yeah.
You know, if you didn't go to culinary school and you cook this, the food tastes really good.
Yeah.
I love hot food, you know.
Yes.
But I understand the climate, but I love hot food. But the vegetable fresh,
Right.
this good. As we said, the burger don't have no accompaniment, like you know having this a salad and this or this, not. But it is so good. The little burn part out here, so it tastes really good. Like you just bring up the flavor and the thing. Girl, me know you can say thing.
Okay, if you need anything, you can.
Just make it know.
I will.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, the juice. So this is mango carrot juice. I'm tasting the mango, I'm tasting the carrot, and I'm also tasting the ginger. It is not sweet. You're getting that creamy taste. So it's just, and it's chill. Plus up here is also cool, so it's helping to keep the drinks very cool. So no complaints. This is food. It is just right, giving you that perfect blend. So guys, we have eaten all our meal. Everything. Jody is here having the last of her mango carrot juice. Yeah.
Excellent.
This is where mine is almost finished. Yeah. And guys, always remember, journey with the Jackson. Yeah.
Come on.
Hey guys. So thank you again for tuning in. We had fun. We were entertained. We had some good food.
We had belly full.
Yes, our belly full. So because Bloom Cafe, we eat burgers. We had burgers, chicken wraps, pepper pot soup,
fritters.
what kind of fritters?
Fritters, saltfish.
Saltfish fritters.
Guys,
Yeah.
guys, the Bloom's Cafe is the place to be.
Yeah.
Why want it's earth friendly. So if you're the kind of person who you're concerned about the earth, that's one thing you can check out with them. Plus great prices, and the number one thing that I look for when I visit some establishment is actually customer service.
Yeah.
And they have absolutely great customer service.
Customer service is very good.
So
and
they're
fun.
on Instagram. Go check them out, Bloom's Cafe.
From the server to the chef, they're very pleasant.
Yeah, and it's just an absolutely awesome place to just relax, eat some food, what a vibe, watch the natural scenic areas you're surrounded by, and also looking over Kingston.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for joining with us. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And like and share our videos.
Yeah man, so it's free to like and share. It's free to
we don't need to tell them that.
it's
You're too
totally
boring,
free
David.
to
We don't need to hear
subscribe.
that. I joke.
Alright, so guys, see you again on our next journey, and
Don't
don't forget to
forget to
make every day an adventure.
adventure.